This is an antique Singer Treadle sewing machine with red-eye decals. It's a model 66-4. What makes it the -4? It has a side clamping foot, and also, it has a hub or a boss for connecting a motor or hand crank. The hand crank is mine, and the base is mine. They do not come with the machine, but it's built for a treadle cabinet. The serial number is G0099170, which dates it from 1923. This was about a couple months before they had swapped, because the old machines used to have the rear clamping feet, and this uses all the common side clamping attachments and everything that fit all the Singer machines now. So I'm just going to show you how well it stitches. Got 6 layers of denim, which were already stitched once for a photo used in the ad. There you can see it's got an equal stitch on both sides.